Hi, welcome to GovernYourData.com. I'm Rob Carroll, VP of Product Strategy with Informatica and your GovernYourData.com site administrator. Today I'm going to introduce an exciting tool that we've developed called our Business Opportunity Assessment Tool, which allows you to identify, assess, and compare the different business opportunities you have around data management and compare them on an apple-to-apple basis to help you prioritize, scope, and eventually build your compelling business case to move forward with your data management investments. To access the tool, first go to the GovernYourData.com homepage, and after you've registered and sign in, you can either access the tool by clicking on the Tools menu and click Assess Business Opportunities, or click the green Business Opportunity Assessment icon. When you do that, you'll be brought to this page where it'll introduce the tool, and then you click Business Opportunity Assessment, and it'll take you to your login page. Here you simply need to add an email address. You pick a security question first time in, and then just enter a security response, and this is just an added level of authentication for you for these tools. When you click Confirm, you're brought to the Business Opportunity Prioritization Assessment Tool screen. This will summarize what you need to know about the tool. For more detailed instructions on how to use the tool, you just click here and you have some additional information that you can read. And what you want to do here is first identify, before you get started, what are the opportunities you want to assess? What is a business opportunity? I've created a number of example opportunities here to give you an idea. What we really recommend is to focus on business imperatives, business initiatives, business objectives, not data or technology objectives. So you're not necessarily going to see here improve data quality, create 360-degree view of customer, or secure data. That's a little too generic. It doesn't really imply what the business value is. What we're really recommending is make this a business-centric exercise. So if you look at the opportunity examples that I've created here, we have something called Reduce e-discovery risk. That's a very specific risk management objective. Improve customer satisfaction scores. That's a measurable business objective. Improve call center efficiency. So hopefully you get the idea. Really focus on objectives that are not too tactical, so they're actually going to provide some big value, but not too broad either. You're not going to see implement data quality tool here, which is too tactical. You're also not going to see optimize order to cash processes, because that's a little too big. So best practice, try to find some sort of a level of detail that you want to compare these opportunities against. And to define an opportunity, simply click Define Opportunity, name the opportunity. You could say ensure Sarbanes-Oxley compliance. And then you should look at this primary business driver category. Now, we recommend that you select one of these categories so you can kind of bucket the different opportunities that you create. And in this case, well, Sarbanes-Oxley compliance is a governance, risk, and compliance driver. And then if you'd like, you could enter an executive sponsor, and you could write a description if you like to. Those are optional. Once you're done, you save that, and then you look, and here's our new opportunity that we've created. Now, once you've created, you'll see this Go button. You click it, it'll take you into the actual assessment. So we ask a number of questions about this opportunity in regards to the business value the opportunity is expected to deliver. And then on the next page, what's the level of investment and effort that's expected to be required from that opportunity? So you really want to take your time, get a sense, get comfortable with the questions that are being asked, and you could use the pagination to jump to different parts of the survey, or you can use the forward and back arrows to navigate the survey. And it might take you some time to get all the right answers to make sure that you feel confident in the assessment results. And maybe you'll answer just a couple of the questions to start out. You could save your work as you go along. Or if you need to go do a little bit more research, you can save and exit. And you'll see that our ensure Sarbanes-Oxley compliance, we're 9% complete now. And if you want to go back into the assessment, you just simply click on the name of the opportunity. So we've already completed a number of opportunity examples here. So you could check all of the completed, and once it's 100% completed, a checkbox will appear and you're able to assess it. So when you check the boxes you'd like, you can then click Complete Assessment, and it's going to run the report for you. And it's going to automatically plot on this heat map your business opportunities and compare them against one another. And simply, the way to read this heat map is to say, well, the opportunities that are delivering the highest business value with the lowest level of investment and effort, we recommend you prioritize. Those opportunities that have the greatest business value but also are going to require a higher level of investment and effort, you can at least consider. Those with a lower business value but low level investment and effort, you might experiment with. And those with low value with high level investment and effort, perhaps you should ignore or at least significantly deprioritize those while focusing your consulting, discovery, and roadmap efforts on those that are more likely to deliver higher business value. So you've got this report, which you could either save the graphic itself and as a JPEG file and embed it into management-facing presentations. You could actually save and print the full report itself with this table as a PDF file, so you could either print it or email it. And you could also return to the dashboard now. Now we said that we asked you to create a category of primary business driver, and the reason is so you can bucket these different opportunities together. So you see, by selecting the column headings here, you can sort. And so perhaps you just want to focus on, for your Chief Marketing Officer, a report on the different acquire and retain customer opportunities. So you just check those two, click Complete Assessment, and you could plot just the opportunities within that business objective for that audience. Now, returning to the dashboard, the final capability that I want to share is the fact that you can define custom weightings for these questions. Now, the default settings that we have, we really recommend for your usual commercial organization. You really want a balanced approach to value and a balanced approach to costs and efforts. But every organization is different and manages their business cases and their objectives differently. A key example, if you're a public sector organization, a federal agency, or a state or municipal agency, you probably are not focused very much on top-line revenue growth. That's not one of your drivers. You probably do need to enforce regulatory compliance. You probably do need to ensure you're reducing risk, and you probably do need to optimize some spending. But maybe you're not so concerned about mapping to CEO objectives. Maybe you're not as concerned about customer experience, etc. And so really, as long as the total value within each of the areas, the business value section and the level of investments and effort sections, add up to 100%, you're able to customize those weightings. And once you've done that, and you once again check the opportunities, you can complete the assessment. The assessment will now be based on your customized weightings. And so this report is going to be really truly customized to how you run your business. So I hope this has been a valuable overview, and we will look forward to hearing your feedback on how you leverage our business opportunity prioritization tool. Thanks for your time.